This video is basically checking out how good HyperSmooth is on the new GoPro 10 when used out cycling. I've not owned a GoPro since the Hero 3, so I was interested to see how it did. The GoPro is connected to the bike on the Garmin mount. All video is 4K 60, standard colour profile, HyperSmooth on boost. I've colour corrected some of the shots because it's a pretty bright day, and some of the video overexposed, but other than that, all of the footage is straight from the camera. Japan typically has great roads, but I did try and test out various conditions. It didn't do too bad on the small potholes, it wasn't perfect though. On a phone screen you might not even be able to see the jitters. One thing it did handle really well was side-to-side movement of the bike on a steep climb. This here is about 10% and the road was a bit crappy too. You can see the jerky movement if you're looking for it, but it's not too bad.
And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
When the lighting is constant and bright, it does a really good job. I was pretty impressed. This bit here was handheld, comparing it to the Osmo Pocket 2. Doesn't do too bad, I don't think, although even with the sharpening on low it looks a bit fake. That's probably user error.
Like everything that's bad in life is come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face.
The quality starts to fall a bit heading into the forest when it's less bright, and the shutter speed and ISO need to increase. Deep in the forest, the video becomes unusable. However, with good light it works really well, even going speeds as quick as cars. The roads were pretty good though. Did a few tests through some tunnels to test the low light performance, as expected, bit naff. Given enough light and a nice road, damn, looks like it's on a gimbal. It's a lot better than my Osmo Action, which you can pick up for a bargain at the moment if you're interested. Just send me an email.